Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you a super simple veggie wrap. It's vegan, it's healthy, it's delicious as well, and it's super easy to make. Let's get started. The ingredients for our wraps are super simple. Here we have 4 mini wheat wraps, a salt and pepper to taste, half of sliced avocado, about 8 pieces of sun-dried tomatoes, 8 leaves of gem lettuce. I love it because it's crispy, it's crunchy as well, and it's super fresh, and half of yellow bell pepper. It has that sweetness and the crunchiness as well, and it's super delicious in the wraps as well. Let's get started. First, I'm going to line up my ingredients to be easier to work. So I have the wraps, the gem lettuce leaves, the avocado, the sun-dried tomatoes, the pepper, and salt and pepper as well to taste. It's very easy to assemble as well. We take one wrap, place 2 leaves, here it's a small secret. If you want your wrap to be like nicely and tightly wrapped, make sure to put everything in this sleeve. So that's why I'm putting 2. So I have this kind of wrapping method going on. So to wrap our wrap, we are going to just press all the ingredients inside and roll it just like this. So when it's ready, let's do all of them. So from all the ingredients, I managed to make 4 super delicious wraps. They're super simple, super crunchy, super fresh as well. I love them as a snack, or I love them instead of lunch. We have that like flavors from the sun-dried tomatoes. We have the creaminess from the avocado, the crunchiness from the bell pepper, and from the gem lettuce cabbage as well. And it's amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check my other videos. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday. Healthy, super simple and super quick recipes as well. Don't forget to subscribe and to see those videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.